Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most talked about technologies today. But what exactly is it? In simple terms, artificial intelligence is a computer system that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI can do things like understand languages, recognize images, solve problems, make decisions, and create content. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Let's talk about what AI is. You've probably used AI without realizing it. When Netflix recommends a movie, that's AI. When Google predicts what you're searching for, that's AI. When ChatGPT answers questions, that's AI. So how does AI work? Traditional computer programs follow specific instructions written by a programmer. For example, if this happens, do that. If this button is clicked, perform this action. Artificial intelligence is different. Instead of following only fixed rules, AI learns patterns from large amounts of data. Think about how a child learns to recognize a dog. You don't give them a detailed list of every possible dog. Instead, they see hundreds or thousands of examples and eventually learn what makes a dog look like a dog. Modern AI works in a similar way. It analyzes huge amounts of information and learns patterns that allow it to make predictions or generate responses. Now, not all AI is the same. The AI we use today is called narrow AI. That means it's designed for specific tasks. ChatGPT can generate text, image generators can create pictures, navigation apps can find the best route, but none of these systems truly thinks like a human. Despite what you may hear online, today's AI is not self-aware. It is incredibly good at recognizing patterns and generating outputs based on data it has learned from. One area of AI that has exploded in popularity is generative AI. Generative AI can create new content such as articles, images, music, computer code, and videos. This is why tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and image generators have become so popular. They can help people create content faster than ever before. But AI isn't perfect. It can make mistakes. It can provide incorrect information and still requires human judgment. The people getting the most value from AI aren't replacing themselves with it. They're learning how to use AI as a tool. So if you're wondering whether AI is something you should learn, my answer is yes. You don't need to become a programmer. You don't need a computer science degree. But understanding what AI is and how it works is quickly becoming an important skill in today's world. Artificial intelligence is simply a tool that helps computers perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. And we're only at the beginning of seeing what AI can do. Let me know in the comments how you use AI in your day-to-day tasks. And if you like this video, be sure to watch this other one or go to the links below for more tips about getting the most from your technology. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.